Hi grades, for today is Friday, May the 14th, and today we are looking at our final exercise on symmetry. So exercise 45, and this is a fun one. Okay, so for this one, remember how we've been talking about how an image is symmetric if both sides are equal or even? So that's what you need to do here. So they're saying each of the following shows half of a letter. So they've given you half of the letters. Okay, your job is to draw the other half of each letter. The dotted line is the line of symmetry. So here is the clue. So basically, if they've given you this half, they've done the line of symmetry for you, you do the other half on this side. Okay, and again, you can watch for the dots. So if they have done 2 dots here, you cannot take 4, so you can only do this, right? That would be symmetry. So make sure you follow. If they've used 8 dots, don't go over 8. That will not be a symmetrical image. Okay, and here is the other line of symmetry, so you draw it underneath. Then over here, you complete the image underneath. So wherever the line of symmetry is, you draw it on the other side. Does that make sense? So over here, it's at the bottom. In some of these letters, it's on the side. For others, it's at the bottom. So just pay attention to that. And then our next page is, they've given you a big shape. So they've said, and they've given you a symmetrical line. Okay. So here is at the bottom. Here is on the side. Use the dotted line as a line of symmetry. Complete the following symmetric figures. So look at this. It feels like, to me, it looks like a ship. Yes, to me it does. To you, it may look something else. Now, again, do you see how they've used 2 boxes here, 2 squares? So when you copy the image below, you can only use how many squares? 2 squares. You cannot use more because then the image will not be symmetric. So you are basically copying the same image at the bottom using the same number of squares. Otherwise, it will not be symmetric image. And then over here, it's like a butterfly. So you can complete this image on the opposite side. Okay, so you're basically copying this shape over on this side. Does that make sense? And that is the end of our symmetric figures unit.